Hello.
Hiya!
Ka-chow!
Whoa, whoa.
I am amazing, eh?
Hey, McQueenski! Hey, buddy!
What are you doing? Yes! What?
No, 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 no.
Let's go!
Go, go, go.
All right!
Bruh.
Ka-chow! Don't feel bad. I'm a professional.
The man
Is that your hubcap? You should try using this. Oh, yeah. This is great.
Yeah!
All right. Ka-chow! This is so cool. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I can do this. Ka-chow!
Hiya!
If I'm trying, I'm trying.
Here we go!
Hey, check out my...
Easy! Yeah!
Come on, keep your eyes on the road, buddy. Whoa, that loosens some stuff up. Whoa,
What?
that loosens some stuff up.
Yeah.
Did anybody see that? I knew I could do it.
Let's go!
Whoa, whoa. You didn't think you was gonna beat me, did you? Oh, hey, that's not sportsmanlike. All right. Whoa, whoa.
What? What are you doing?
Nope. Experience coming through. Okay, let's see what you got.
Hey, McQueenski! Hey, buddy! Oh, hey, looking good there, McQueenski. We got a race coming up. Hey, ready to go racing? Hey, Heidi-ho!
Easy!
Oh my God.
Here we go!
Hey, McQueenski! Hey, buddy!
Yeah, boy.
Wow, at my own fantastic. Feast your eyes on Francesco. Open these. This one is for all my fans. Hey,
Go, go, go.
I am amazing, eh? Oh, 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 oh. Grazie, arrivederci.
Your next stop's gonna be the chop shop. What? It's not the first win, and it won't be the last.